What a monster day. One of the best trading days of the year. It was long. So many calls yesterday, and they just exploded this morning. Names like Google, names like Oxy Weeklies, names like Caesars, and then some of the big oddball stocks like Foot Locker up over 6% today. That hit the scanner. The scanner has been on fire. Look at AMD from that dip buy yesterday. And those Tesla 182.5 calls. Just a massive day. And I mentioned literally about 5 minutes ago on the Telegram, closing all longs, market internals look bad, and look at this sell-off here in the S&P. Look at the market internals here. ADD line starting to fade. Market internals, the tick moving lower. S&P is down 21 points off the highs. So you got to be quick. Sell that open. Take your profits, then move on. What are we seeing today? Well, we're seeing more Tesla. Now the weekly 197.5 calls. Remember, we saw the 182.5 weekly calls yesterday, and Tesla had a Moody's upgraded, I think, their credit, and shares printed 192.70, up over $7 today. So huge trade there. Seeing some of the STLA. This is the maker of Jeep. The April 17 calls. We saw some Ford weekly calls. We saw some NIO April calls, but all these stocks are bid today. When you see a stock up a lot, even though you see call buying, yes, it could be momentum, but sometimes it's a hedge against a short stock. Personally, I'm taking profits, not buying calls today, as I mentioned. But the flow has been on fire. I actually like using this pop to buy puts in the financials. And we continue to see that on the scanner. And like I said in my video when I was up at the gym around 7 a.m., you got to stay on top of the markets. You got to follow market internals. You got to have the institutional order flow scanner. And I know you can't buy it yet. You can't have it because it's not available. But when the team gets done, hopefully it will be. I mean, trading has just been on fire. Days like today can make your week, can make your month. Just again, a massive, massive day. We will see what Jay Powell says. The NASDAQ, look at the sell-off, off 100 off the highs. Woo! But trading has been fantastic.